Hey, Kimsauce.
Justin here. And he is in the rain.
What?
I said rain.
Acid rain?
That reminds me.
In 1979, Wheeling, West Virginia had the most acidic rain ever recorded in history. The average acidity was about 1.5 pH. But what is acid rain? Well, acid rain is any precipitation that has a pH range from 4.2 to 4.4. Just like my GPA at Yale, but that's besides the point. Technically, normal rain is already slightly acidic, with the usual pH of around 5.5. Acid rain, which comes from sulfuric and nitrogenous-based compounds, has a pH of about 4.4. So where does the acid from acid rain come from? Here. Well, technically, back here. Normally, rain is mostly water, slightly acidic due to a concentration of CO2, but water will do. But when the emissions from cars and coal combine with the water in the clouds, the sulfur dioxide and nitrogen dioxide form sulfuric acid and nitric acid, respectively. These compounds form strong acids, but what makes them strong? Do they get those gains? Not exactly. Strong acids are simply acids that dissociate, that is, break into hydrogen ions almost completely, whereas weak acids do not break apart at all that much. However, when you have something more acidic in the rain, you get this. Well, the effects might not be this extreme, as strong acid in the rain itself is actually not very concentrated, around 2 parts per million. But the acid rain does actually deteriorate man-made structures over time. Not only that, but acid rain affects the ecosystems too, lowering the pH of freshwater systems, imposing harmful effects onto many species. Take your stereotypical fish, for example. Fish, like many aquatic organisms, have an optimal pH range in which they comfortably live. However, when the acid rain is added to the water, it lowers the pH, eventually killing the fish and, in turn, affecting the entire ecosystem. However, this isn't a lost cause. It's not Kimpossible. By reducing our car emissions, utilizing more public transport, or developing more fuel-efficient cars, we can reduce the amount of NO2 in the air. And by using cleaner sources of fuel instead of burning coal, we can reduce the amount of SO2 emitted. So stay dry, try to drive less. And as always, thanks for watching.